Now the thing is searching, is bringing out the information of where this picture has been took from. Look at it now. They say the country is United States, then state New York City, New York City. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know someone's location using his picture only. Before we go further, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it to your friends so that they will learn too. So what you need is open your browser like this, and you now type geospy, geospy.mm. Look at it there, geospy.mm. You know now. So you now type it like this. Then you now click search. So it is searching like this now. So it will display right now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it to your friends so that they will learn. Alright, so this is the website here. So look at it here now. Look at it. So all you need to do is, you see here they say press or drag to upload or take photo. Then you click on it like this. When you click on it like this, then you now go and click on your photo library. So when you click on your photo library like this, then they will let me just allow, okay. Then they will it will take you to your gallery where your pictures and image are there. Then you search it, pick any image you wanted to pick. So now I'm trying to pick one image from here. So look at, let me pick this one like this. All right, so after picking this one now, then I'll now send it. Now the thing is searching, is bringing out the information of where this picture has been took from. Look at it now. They say the country is United States, then state New York City, New York City. Then explanation. They say the image was taken in a New York City. This is evidence from the street sign, the architecture, everything. They will even give you the view on the Google map. Look at it here. Then the sources. They will now give you, this is the type of perspective that he used and snapped that picture. So this is the type of perspective that he used and snapped this picture. So you can use any picture entirely, like any type of picture. When you use, then they will tell you, they will give the information on where they took that picture and everything. So now I'm trying to look for another picture. That one will be a picture of mine. That is my own picture I'm trying to use. Look at this one now. Okay, let me just take use this very my picture here like this. Now I'm going to use it. So look at it. The other picture, the first picture I searched, they show me New York, that is United States of America, and New York, blah blah blah. That is not Nigeria. But this very one now, let me see, what are they going to show me? Let me just see. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. I have so many videos there are so many valuable videos that when you watch, you learn a lot from it, and share it to your friends so that they will learn too. You know, there are so many of your friends that they will be lying to you that, okay, you call them, you put them on call, they will not tell you that they are in so place while they are not there. So what you need to do is just simply pick their picture, come to this website, geospy.mm, you know now. Then you now come place their picture, you now search, then they will show you where the exact location your friends or your family are. So look at it here now. They say country, Nigeria, everything. They have said everything about this picture here. Look at it here. Alright, I hope you get value from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Share it to your friends so that they will learn too. And go into this channel. There are so many valuable videos that you learn a lot from it.